Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to get a MOVIEBOX Pro invitation code. The first thing you need to know is that MOVIEBOX Pro is not available on official app stores, so you cannot just download and use it. The invitation code is a way for the developers to control who can create an account. Without this code, you cannot log in or start using the service. That is why it is important to know the correct way to request or find one. One way to get an invitation code is by visiting the official MOVIEBOX Pro website. On the site, you will usually find a request option where you can submit your email address. After submitting, you will need to wait until they send you a code. Sometimes this can take time, so patience is required. Another method is by checking official MOVIEBOX Pro social media pages. They sometimes share codes with their community or announce events where codes are given away. This is a good option if you want to stay updated and have a better chance of receiving one. You can also try reaching out to someone who already has a MOVIEBOX Pro account. Users who are already registered sometimes receive a limited number of codes that they can share with others. If you know someone who is using the app, you can politely ask them if they have a spare code to give you. Once you receive the invitation code, you can go back to the MOVIEBOX Pro website or app, enter the code during the sign-up process, and then create your account. Thanks for watching.